Good morning, everyone. We are in chapter 3, in which we talk about synthetic fibers and plastics, in which we talk about different types of synthetic fibers and also talk about in previous lecture plastic and different type of plastics. We also discuss how plastic important in our daily life. Today I am going to teach you problems with plastics. Page number 42. When plastics were introduced, they were hailed as a wondered material. However, today plastics have become a serious worldwide environmental and health concern. This is because of their non-biodegradable nature and widespread use. So, two major things that plastic having demerits. First, because of their highly property, because of their so much property, the usage of plastics is wide, and the nature of plastic is non-biodegradable. It means that it cannot convert into compost. It not convert into manure like leaves, like animal skin, animal and plants decompose, but plastic is never compose. It compose in a long, it takes long and long year. One of the most significant environmental problem associated with plastic is the improper disposal of plastics good by the people. You see around us, in any field, anywhere plastic is there. The use of plastic is varied. If you see any product that come with the plastic packet, if you go to buy sugar, salt, anything, shopkeeper give you in a plastic bag. So you can see that how plastic widely used in our daily life. Do you know that the plastic bags and bottles drawn on the roadside could stay in ground or soil for years and years? This is because plastics are non-biodegradable. They cannot decompose by the microorganism in the soil. Careless disposal of plastics bags can never eaten by any microorganism, and if any organism or animal by default eat such plastics, it can kill them because plastics are made up of chemicals. Whatever the plastics bags can also containment food stuff because the poisonous dyes getting absorbed into food. It burnt, they release poisonous fumes and pollute the air. So if we burn plastics, it causes harmful gases. If you put your food into plastics, your food are getting poisonous because they are made up of chemicals. Thankfully, over the last decades or so, a countrywide network, the collection of plastics waste through the rag picker and waste collector and the waste dealers, recycling enterprises has struck all over the country. So only one solution of this problem to reduce the daily use of plastics, and if we use plastics, we should put into dustbin and our workers take it and that plastics used in a recycle. Okay, because of this approximately 60 to 80% of plastics bags generated as waste are collected from recycled. You must have been seen rest on the ground, and if the plastic stay on ground, they reduce the fertility of soil. It is the portion of the concern it causes extensive damage to the environment. In India, some municipal areas have been banned to use plastics and they seem to have been achieved success. For example, in Ladakh and Sikkim, several other states have followed suit, but implementation of the ban is still not satisfactory everywhere. So, what should we do? We should do only one thing: reduce the use of plastics as far as possible and not to put or throw anywhere else. Conservation actions. The problems of plastic pollution is serious and intermediate action is required. First action is reduction of the amount of plastic used in packing, that is usually intermediate throwaway. Recycling and reuse of plastic should be encouraged. So we should encourage the recycling and reuse of plastics. As far as you recycle the plastics, reuse the plastic, the manufacturing of new plastic is not necessary and not needed. Plastic wrapping and bags should carry a warning label stating the dangers of plastics pollution and soppers. They should encourage to use their own bags or recycled paper bags. So what should we do? What should we can do? We do some steps, some things by which we save our environment by plastic pollution. Buy products with less plastic packaging. Shoppers should use their own bags or recycle paper bags. Support recycling scheme and promote support to one in your local area. Practice and promote proper disposal of plastics in your home. Never dispose of plastics in sewage system. Pick up any plastic litter that you see in the vicinity and dispose it of the proper place. Encourage other to the likewise. Never throw plastic in the street and anywhere. Set an example others and encourage help to help. As the responsible citizen, we always remember 4R principle. Refuse to use of plastic, reduce the use of plastic, reuse the plastic and recycle the plastics. So these are the 4 things by which we make our environment safe. First, as a responsible citizen, we do 4R principle, which is reuse, reduce, refuse and recycle. By this way, we finish this chapter in a very good manner. You should summarize this chapter with the help of concept map. Okay, whatever present in concept map in your note copy, and please make your notes. Remember and write whatever the important terms I taught you during classes. Thank you.